But we talk about this. Hey guys, what's up? It's all about the Spice House. And when I say the Spice House is the place to be. It's a brand new restaurant, new location, new lounge, apple vibes. And you know.
So it come to my understanding, it's a Spice House in Latonia. Them I work them people and not pay them. Spice House in Latonia, Georgia. I work them people and not pay them. Only for stop it. Only for do better. You understand what I say? You know so the people them don't have them papers. When I work them and when I pay them. And a time now for people expose you know. When I have people in the right now, when I work and I pay them right now, I'm not gonna call nobody name, but when I have somebody where when I don't pay and the person that call off on the phone, I wanna have the audacity for block them. Do better. I want the food nasty. You understand?
Okay, boom, viewers, back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not foreign from Kingmixup, it's not credible. And you already know the deal, my peeps. Me there yourself for telling no what go on for not to go on. You see me, so let's just kick it off with Dancehall Queen Spice because she is getting blamed for not paying undocumented workers at one restaurant named Spice Restaurant. As you can see in my comment section, somebody said it's definitely Spice Restaurant. And I think a lot of people attribute that because, you know, she was promoting it a lot in the beginning of his grand opening. But nevertheless, Rika is going in. You know what I mean? So let's take a listening and proceed to the next.
When I mix old stale meat with new meat. That's not right. We get it from inside of the kitchen. Do better. Spice House, Latonia, Georgia. Una for do better. We do no nasty, dirty food. Pay the people them. You understand? That's why una hire one bag of people who don't have them papers and not pay them. Una now hire people who have them papers because una don't like pay people. Do blood clean better. Better. We are calling it out. And if at the end of the day, when I go pay the people them, me I go show the pictures of inside of the blood clean kitchen. Dare me.
As I said, I'm not Spice own the restaurant, but speaking about spice and food and thing, you know, say, Love and Flip Flop, you know, the show get cancelled. I know she stuck on the app and she had link with the T-list of them and Jayden basically said she want him one nyama, you know. Yeah, let's take a listen, you see me.
Spice, but I need for free.
On the move.
No, funny.
You love it. All right, when we come to Jamaica, me I go try it out and see if me like it.
Spice, do not, Spice, be serious as a judge. Spice, the Bible here, this is the Bible. What is it? Holy Bible. Me serious as a judge, come sit down on my face. Me serious.
Yo, John.
Yeah, job. The dog now give you famous alone, you know. You want to feed him too.
No, man, want to get feed too, man.
No man. Figure it out, you know, say. So, Spice, where do you know, Spice? Where do you know?
Me I go to hotel now. Maybe I get a police escort back to the hotel.
That is it, man.
Boss, with all the blue rose there.
Hey.
Yeah,
Queen
man.
life, man. Queen life.
Queen, I don't try this enough.
I queen of dance class.
I don't try this man. So anybody when I like, we gonna link out. Sorry. For Spice like quick, we don't give a fuck who else don't want to like quick.
Bro.
You have one. Alright, Spice, later Spice. Now I hold too long, darling.
Big up on yourself. Love on you.
Yeah,
Hear
man.
that?
Enjoy
Dance
yourself.
again,
Yeah,
Spice.
Queen.
Yeah, mama.
All
What's
right,
up
big up
yourself,
yourself.
mama?
All
All
right,
right, cool. Yeah, bye.
Jayden, we have to go jump with the thing Spice knows we do.
How you doing, son?
All right, take care, yeah?
All right, later. Bye.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Alright, Spice.
Later, baby. Love you. Oh, God. Them can't tell me nothing. I love them. Really, really love them.
I wonder how Abel Boss feels about fist. Me not gonna lie to you, Jayden funny still, you know. Whether you think man's a funny fish or not, that man funny, you see me. Anyway, people, we're not gonna longer this no longer, so just check out them next suggested video and it's up on the screen. And in the meantime, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, I suggest you do so and turn on the notification bell. Therefore, you'll be notified when I drop the latest. Bless.